it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel, period. So I have another awesome affordable wig to review for you today. This one is by a company called Beauty Forever. I have done a review for them once before on this channel. So they do have some great products, so let's get into it. Okay, let's look at some of the goodies they sent. They sent me the typical, which is like a headband, some press-on nails, wig caps, HD wig caps. And they also sent me this. It's Team Virgo over here, baby. Virgo. It's Team Virgo all day. I don't even know no Aries females. I'm a Virgo. I'm an earth sign. We don't really rock with the fire sign women like that, okay? So, just a word of advice. Beauty Forever. Get to know, I don't know, like if you want to do that, if you want adults in your packages, just, you know, make sure that the necklace is like a universal necklace or something, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's get to the main reason for this video, which is the wig. And they sent me over one of their straight bob units. So it's a bob bang. So let's go ahead and take out the package and see what it's about. So this is what the unit looks like. It is a light yaki texture, and it has some I guess you say golden or bronzy highlights. I actually love that a lot. And it does have some lace at the top, so it makes it look realistic. So there we go. This is the cap construction. It does have a little bit of lace in the back that I'll be cutting. It has two combs right here on the side and a comb in the back. It does have the adjustable straps along with an elastic band, so this will be a glueless wig for you guys. You know, I love my glueless wigs. As I get older and I want to also focus more on my hair growth and my hair care, because it's pretty long. My natural hair is pretty long, but I'm trying to get it back thicker because, you know, your girl getting old. I tend to lean more towards glueless wigs because they're easy to put on during the day, and then I can take it off at night and take care of my real hair. So I'm gonna go ahead. I already have my stocking cap on. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps, and then we're gonna put her on so we can see what it looks like on. While y'all watch me get the wig situated on my head, let me just tell you a bit about this unit. The lace parting that is the center of the wig is 2x6. The wig length that I have is 10 inches. It is, I would definitely say it's big head friendly, and if you have a small head like I do, you are able to adjust the straps to fit your head snug. Because I have a small head, the bangs were a bit too long, so as you can see here, I'm just going in to trim it down. At first, I decided to cut at an angle to give it a choppy look, but then it just wasn't going fast enough for me. So I decided to just go in and cut straight across. And I also did the same on the other side to even it out. So after I got my bangs to the length that I was satisfied with, I did end up just sliding the the wig back a little bit more because I was just tired of cutting, guys. But I went ahead and took my flat iron and just bumped it a little bit more. I like my bangs bumped a little bit more, you know, Dora style. And I went ahead and got some of the creasing out of the hair, which usually happens when the wig ships. Like during shipment or packaging, there will be a few little creases that you'll have to bump out. It's totally normal. But this is still considered a ready-to-wear wig. You're just zhuzhing it up a little bit. The hair takes heat very well. It did not lose any of its texture. So I do like that. It didn't make it silky. By running the flat iron through, it just straightened it out a bit. And I also was able to bump the ends a little bit better, especially in the back. If you like this video and you want to see more just like it, guys, you guys support my channel. So don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. You know, you don't always get notified. Sometimes you gotta check that little bell when you log on to your YouTube. That's where all the content is. But anyway, look at this wig. It's nice. It's bouncy. The hair is definitely flowing. That bob is bobbing, and I absolutely love it. I love that it looks super natural. And y'all already know the link will be posted in the description box below, and all of the wig information. So yeah, stay tuned for my final thoughts. Also, don't forget to, I don't have any like social media except for TikTok, so follow me on there. Okay guys, so that's the install. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was super simple. I did have to customize the bangs, obviously. You have to customize it to your liking and your length, so that if it's you I have a smaller head, so I always have to trim the bangs. It's no problem. This part looks super natural. This wig will be available on Amazon. It's Beauty Forever on Amazon, so it does you can get Prime shipping with the delivery. If you have Prime, you get fast delivery. And yeah, so this is very convenient, not only to wear but to purchase. And yeah, so any information will be down in the description box, along with the link to purchase will be in the description box as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content and you want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button, and then also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content for you guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you guys.